back in Blender. It's a necessary evil. I'm trying to delete all that. Is that Russian? Anyway, let's practice decimating triangles, make files smaller. Go up here and click statistics. Then you see the triangles on the left. Big number. So you want to go to modifier. We're already in there, so we're just gonna add modifier, generate, and decimate. Then collapse it with the ratio of maybe 0.3. We'll give that a try. And the triangles are smaller. Apply the changes, and then you can export this smaller file size in GLB. But we missed some stuff, so we'll go back to that later. Sliders, sliders. Roughness and metallic fraction will change some of the highlighting, so you can get a nice contrast or some glitter. I have enough dopamine now to go back to Blender. Let's take a look here. Oh, I forgot the eyeball. All right, we see the other stuff. We're deleting it. Taking a look at it. Oh, is that English? Okay, that gives me an idea. We should make a sign. Okay, watch out for the bear in red spray paint with arrow to the right. Let's maybe make the background more plain, and we'll try taking out the background in Adobe Photoshop. So we're going in here. Usually it will do, okay, we're doing it in Canva. Press background remover. And there it goes, people. Bring it in. But this is bringing it in as a regular image, and you'll see why this is not ideal. Substrata has a thing called decal. You go into edit and then add decal. Figure out this. Browse and add in your picture. Deleted the first image file, and it goes right on the wall. Okay, I'm deleting 0. Now centered, kind of. All right, let's bring this in. Finally, I don't actually like it. Whatever, we'll use it to view the decal on, so you can get a sense of how it changes based on the corrugation or disappearing through the hole. That's really awesome. Wow, it's like real graffiti on a wall. You just have to make sure that the image is going through an object, that the cube is going through the object. Otherwise, it's gonna show up like bloop, nothing. Yeah, watch out for the bear, because now there is no barricade. Good luck.